There's another one. Such as cups. I cut them out manually. Put foam dots on it. Sorry about the glare. They're layered. Some DIY embellishments. Super simple to make. Just use your tools, scissors, and foam dots. And punchers, of course. Here's another batch. I'm gonna give away all this to my friend Debbie. It has just simple, layered, very simple, not a lot of layers, but I like. Okay, here's some goodie bags. I made 4 goodie bags. It has robin's egg in it, so I can give it away for Easter, but it still matches so that it still fits with the No Paper Left Behind project. Has a D because I'm gonna give this to my friend Debbie. Just a simple doily bag topper, and I just used the paper and stapled it and hot glued the topper. And this is the last one, a very simple one. I was gonna put a name on it later. These are some page flags. I didn't make a lot, but I just made 3. Some layers. And then I use Nuvo drops that matches the color. Alright guys, I'm almost done with all these DIY embellishments. I'm ready to move on to another collection. But I want to show you the progress. Thank you, Miss Daniella Hayes, for encouraging me to do the No Paper Left Behind challenge. It's so much fun. Trying to think outside of the box. And this one, I give credit to Miss Liz Russell for inspiring me to do this. This one is another one, just envelope die. Some page flags. Last page flag, I hope it focuses. Nuvo drops, paper, stick. Hi everyone! I'm back to show you my bag topper. I'm very new to the swap. So if anybody wants to swap, please send me a private message. I would be super honored. Another bag topper. I just made 4. As part of the No Paper Left Behind challenge. I just made my own embellishments. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.